Hey, this is Dave from Arts again. Today we're going to talk about some lawn care through the summer. And you know, a lot of us are kind of concerned about our lawns through the summer now that it's been dry and hot for so long, if they're going to come back. So if your lawn looks like this, which mine does in my front yard, I know it's going to come back once the fall rains start to come. It's just dormant. It's just lacking the moisture, and it'll bounce back in the fall. These are the various different sprinklers that we have at Arts Nursery that if you want to water your lawn, and especially if it's a new established lawn, you definitely want to keep it well watered. This is sort of the traditional sprinkler that probably everyone has. I call them a flip-flop sprinkler because they just basically go back and forth. This one's really special. It's got 3 different applications that you can adjust it for. This one is actually a really good one for homeowners to use, especially if their lawns are small or an odd shape. It has the various different patterns to click onto to get that proper watering coverage. So this one is the old-fashioned traditional sprinkler, and you basically hook your hose up to it. It has a setting on the back, so if you wanted to have it just water half circle or full circle, that's how this one works. And this one here, it just kind of spins around really quickly, puts out a fair bit of water in a very short period of time. We're going to talk about how much do you water. Most lawns only require about 1 inch of water per week to keep them healthy. As you can see with this one here with the different patterns, all the water comes out all at once. So you don't get that oscillating back and forth motion where you require a lot more watering times to get that 1 inch of water. So one way of measuring your sprinkler and how it's doing properly is to get some tuna cans, put them out on your lawn, and just measure how much water you get after half an hour's watering or 45 minutes watering. Once that tuna can fills up, that's the amount of water that you need, and you can base it on that time that it takes to fill the tuna can. As far as fertilizing your lawn, with it brown and dormant through the summer, I would not worry about fertilizing it. Wait till it starts to green up, and then I would apply like a liquid fertilizer to give it that quick boost. Followed by, once we get into fall, you start doing your fall applications of fall fertilizer. So hey folks, don't panic about your lawn. It'll come back. Just remember, we are trying to save water out there, and our lawn doesn't really need it. But if you feel like you want to just give it that little bit of water each week, come in, check us out, 8940 192nd Street. All these items are in the store, and yeah, feel free to come and ask me questions.